Good afternoon, sir. I'm Cadet Mislang and this is Annex Regulations. 31. Oil Discharge Monitoring and Control System. The Oil Discharge Monitoring and Control System is a nautical device used to track and manage oil discharge, both automatic and manual. Monitoring are option for this every day sees a decline in our ecosystem. The ecology is seriously degrading as we can see. Number 32. Oil-water interface detector. The line between water and oil in storage tanks is located. Use an electrical instrument called an interface detector. However, the technology is just limited to oil-water applications and may be used everywhere. A precise interface control between two liquids is required. 33. Crude oil washing requirements. The MARPOL Convention's 1978 protocol stipulated that new tankers must first purge their crude oil before setting sail. A crude oil washing cargo tank cleaning system is required by MARPOL Annex I Regulation 33 for a new crude oil tanker that are 20,000 tons deadweight or more. 34. Control of discharge of oil. An oil discharge is any intentional or inadvertent action or inaction oil to spill, sip, dump, pour, or pump into the ground surface or in the ocean. 35. Crude oil washing operations. With the crude oil washing or sea-cow or cow method, a tanker's oil tankers are washed out between voyage using the crude oil being transported rather than water. When crude oil is used as a solvent instead of water, the cleaning procedure is far more successful. 36. Oil Record Book Part 2 Ballast Cargo Operations. When one of the aforementioned cargo ballast activities occurs on the ship, the Oil Record Book Part 2 must be finished tank by tank if necessary. Movement of the oil cargo internally while at sea. Discharge of an oil cargo. 37. Shipboard Oil Pollution Emergency Plan. The Shipboard Oil Pollution Emergency Strategy or SOPAP is a preventative measure used on board tankers above 150 GT and other ships over 400 GT. You can get a broad idea of possible reactions to an oil spill from this strategy. 38. What is reception facilities? A reception facility is any stationary, movable, or floating structure that is appropriate for receiving MARPOL reviews rubbish from ships. 39. Special requirements for fixed or floating platforms for the intake and outflow of ballast water from and to the sea. A separate ballast pumping and flipping system should be installed for the segregated. There should not be any pipe connection between segregated ballast tanks and the fresh water supply. Thank you, sir.